Okay, today we have the Lamy Special Edition All Star 2021 colors in Azure and Cosmic, and they're available in fountain pen, rollerball, and ballpoint. And let's get a look at them real quick. Last time I did a Lamy unboxing, I got some requests to do more Lamy unboxings more often. So here we go. Let's check out this new 2021 color, and this is the Azure, and this is going to be a fountain pen and fine. And if you are a Lamy fan, you notice that the boxes, this is the same box as you're going to always see. There's a few that come in a different type of box, but almost all your Lamy pens are going to arrive in this box with the little slits along the corner, opposite corners here, which you can see a peek at the pen inside. You've got your Lamy brand, and then made in Germany back here, your pen information on a sticker. And you basically just slide out your pen on this insert, and it's clipped with the very iconic clip here. This is a really, really pretty color. They do have a little bit of an ink viewing window here. You have your Lamy name right on the pen. Get you a little bit of a look here at the design if you're not familiar. If you're not familiar, this pin clip is a big deal. People love the pin clip, and it does work really well, and it looks cool. So they do also have inside the box, and it's slid right in there, so you might miss it, but it's your little bit of a brochure of information with your warranty information and contact information on the back. Let's see, it is a compression closure. They do come with this kind of a cardboard ring to protect this ink cartridge while in transit. So it comes with the ink cartridge already ready for you. So what you do is you just remove this little cardboard ring it's not attached in any way, it's kind of just floating in here. It's just the perfect size to keep the pin from fully closing the barrel onto the section here, so that ink cartridge can be in there without being actually used. It's the standard All-Star design. So if you're familiar with the All-Star, you already know all of this information, but the grip is kind of a triangular shape, but with these top two edges on either side of the top of the fountain pen nib, designed to create a comfortable spot for your fingers. And the bottom, which would be the third side of that triangle, is actually not a flat because it's rounded down there. Okay, and they're available in the extra fine, or medium, and we just stocked up on these. So I'm going to get you a look at the other color available and the also the rollerball and the ballpoint, so you get a glance at all of them. And then you can jump online and see if there's any left in inventory, because we're shipping out the pre-orders first, and then what's left will be available. Okay, here's a quick look at the same limited edition All-Star fountain pen in Cosmic. And if you're a Lamy fan, you probably already know, but they come out with a couple special edition colors each year for some of their popular pen collections. And these are the two new colors they've introduced this year for 2021, the Azure and the Cosmic. The pens are also available in rollerball form. So if you are a rollerball fan and you prefer that to the fountain pen, you can also get the Cosmic or the Azure in as a rollerball. Or if you actually would prefer to have the ballpoint version, we have those as well. So the ballpoint version is going to have the same special edition colors and a similar grip section. It's got that great comfortable grip down here with the two spots that are flattened for your grip to be comfortable and firm. It's also got a similarly shaped clip, but you'll see it's a smaller version to accommodate the ballpoint pen design. And then you have your classic push mechanism here. So whether you're a fountain pen fan, a rollerball fan, or a ballpoint pen fan of the Lamy, These are the new colors available for 2021, Cosmic and Azure, and they're fun additions. I'm liking the 2021 colors for sure. Hurry and see if there's any left available in stock to ship today at Pinchley.com.